What's up, everyone? I want you to check this out. And this too. This is the skew effect. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a skew effect, of course, using Alight Motion. I'll be showing you two different methods, so make sure to watch until the end. Alright, let's jump into the project first. I've already prepared the footage we'll be using. First, we need to create the transition. You can follow the transition I'm making. Once the transition is done, I'll create an adjustment layer because the skew effect will be applied there. You can follow along as I create the adjustment layer, or you can check out this video of mine for reference. After the adjustment layer is ready, add the stretch axis effect. Here, we'll use scale and angle to create the skew effect. For scale, create two keyframes. Set keyframe 1 to 1.50 and keyframe 2 to 1. For angle, also create two keyframes, set 1 to 0 and the other to 90. For the next method, you'll only need to use a null layer. First, add the null layer, parent the transition to the null skew, and go to scale. Click the link icon and adjust the width. I set mine to 79. Then, go to Rotate and adjust the rotation. Don't forget to add the graph. And that's it. Pretty cool, right? Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.